Welcome to another episode with Cardi Family. So today, guys, we'll be making some plantain burgers for the kids. That was what they wanted for school today. So let's get started. I'm gonna be washing my hands with some soap. My plantain has been washed. I'm just gonna peel it off. So one person is gonna have one plantain each. Guys, do you usually wash your plantains before you keep, or you wash it only when you want to use it? Let me know in the comment section. Washed. I'm gonna have this into two. Some beef. That's one. Let's make the sauce. God bless you too, baby. You're so cute. Thank you. Good morning. You look good. You look good, 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 good. You ready?
Here we go. That's my favorite sauce.
I know.
You kind of hit the camera. Keep hearing this. Okay, first with this.
How many of these do you want? My sky.
Bumble. Bye-bye. Bye. This ran to the dogs. What's a sheep? Box. Oh, the plucky, 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 plucks. You have this massive thing.
She said she wanted some grapes today.
No.
I'm gonna put some extra sauce
Say
here.
whatever you want. Don't until I come back. But you can until late. You have to take a break. Okay? Very good. It's gonna be great work. No, we have to hide it first. Yeah. I keep this somewhere. So soon as that's by strong one more food.
I'm going with Sarah first. Change your style. Another style.
Taking money for making food.
It's okay, baby. Pose for me. Another style. Hey. Okay, guys, let's set up Susie Chanel. She's going to school now. I had to get finished with Skyra because she goes to school very early in the morning.
I'm going to go in the morning. Can you go to school too?
You want to go to school now?
Yes.
Yeah, you can go now.
Mega, cut it for me.
Yes, I'm going to cut it for you.
And Susie.
Yes, baby.
For mommy, that man lost.
Nice. Can you see how bomb that looks?
Mommy, mommy. No. Thank you, mommy, so much. I love this.
You're welcome.
And thank you, mommy, for the chair. Why are the chair? For the water and the milk.
Okay.
No, that's the water.
You're welcome.
Mommy, did Mama add that?
You're what?
My eyes said, this is me. Look at what's happening. I want
some sauce.
some for me. Some for me.
Yes, baby, you can have the sauce.
Isn't that? Yes. Mommy.
Yes, Papa.
Mommy, did not go have a washroom in there? Mommy, we got a washroom in there. Ma, is that for me?
Yes, Papa. This one is for Shane, guys. So I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys this for Skyra because I packed it already in the night. She told me what she wanted, so I just packed it. I put it in her bag, not in her backpack. So the one on the fire is for my husband. Shana, let me have your backpack, please.
Okay, Mommy.
And this one is gonna be for my boy. Shani.
The food's ready, Shane. I want to eat it. You want to eat it?
You wanna go to school? Yeah, you're gonna go to school. You go to school at 12.
Mommy.
12 o'clock. Yeah, you can go with it. You want me to put it in your backpack?
Can I go to school?
Yeah, you can go to school. Baby.
Can I put food in my
Chanel
backpack?
9:15.
Mama, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
How about this one?
This is for my boy, Shani. Let's go, guys. Outfit check. Change your style.
Welcome, Mommy, my lettuce.
You're welcome, baby. Say thank you, mommy. I love this. Another star. Again.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, beautiful. Looks so cute. Pose. No, like this. Yeah. Okay, another style. So don't forget to be nice to your friends, okay? Yes, Papa.
I want to be nice to my friends.
Another style. Alright. Thank you guys for watching.
Hope you guys have an amazing day.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow to our YouTube channel.
Bye.
Peace out. And this is for hubby. So he's gonna be having some tea and this. I'm gonna make him some fruits. Let's go serve. Babe, breakfast is ready. Voila. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Peace out.